Students, so in the last video we have started partial differentiation, partial derivative. So we have studied what is partial differentiation, what are independent variables. We have find the partial derivative with respect to x and with respect to y, and also we have done 2 or 3 problems related to first order derivative. So in the last class we have studied the first order partial derivative. So today we will study higher order partial derivatives, means more than 1. So first order, so today we will study second order, that is called higher order partial derivative. So this is not different from the first order, it is similar to first order derivative. The difference is here you have to differentiate the first order derivative function, means you have to derive here del by del x or del by del y. Okay, again you have to differentiate, then you will get the second order partial derivative. Okay, so what we have done, suppose if we have a function, u is a function of x and y. Okay, so what will be its first order partial derivative? Del u by del x and del u by del y. These are first order derivatives, partial derivatives. Okay, this first order partial derivatives. Next, now to find the second order, what we have to do? Second order partial derivatives, you just differentiate the first order with respect to x, so you will get del square u by del x square, or similarly del square f by del x square, and it can be written as u suffix xx or f suffix xx. Okay, then this is called the first order partial derivative of del u by del x with respect to x, and with respect to y it is like this. So you will get del square u by del y del x, it can be written as uxy or fxy. This is with respect to x we get this, and with respect to y we will get this. Similarly for del u by del y. So you have to find del by, this is second order derivative, so you will get del square u by del y square and del x del. Okay, so these are the second order partial derivatives. So ultimately what we have find that for a function of two variables, means we have taken u as a function of x and y. So first we get two first order partial derivatives, right? Del u by del x and del u by del y. And second order, how many second order? 4. This one is del square u by del x square, del square u by del y square, del square u by del y del x, del square u by del x del y. So these are the partial derivatives, second order partial derivatives. Okay, so these are the second order partial derivatives. Now using this theory, we will find out the second order derivative in problems. And one thing you see, whenever you have to find the second order partial derivative, the very first step is you have to find the first order. Okay, means to go to the second order derivative, first you have to find the second order derivative. Now we will move to the questions. Suppose we will take I will take a simple question that we have done in the last class. Okay, so question, you have to find the now we will take the problem. We will take the similar problem that we have taken in the first class to find the first order derivative. So কি কৰিম আমি ইয়াত second order partial derivative ওলাম. So question কি আছে আমাৰ, u equals to 2x square plus 4xy plus 5y square. Okay, so ইয়াত কি হল, u তোমাৰ function x আৰু y, x আছে y আছে, so u is a function of x and y. So second order উলোৱাৰ কাৰণে তো আমি first order উলিয়াবই লাগিব. So আমি ললো here u equals to 2x square plus 4xy plus 5y square. So del u by del x means তুমি এবাৰ differentiate কৰিব লাগিব ফাংশনটো with respect to x. Partial derivative কৰিলে যদি তুমি x ৰ ৰেসপেক্টত কৰি আছা তো y টো কি হ'ব তোমাৰ constant. y constant হলে constant ৰ differentiation আমি জানো 0 হয়. So এটো হৈ গল তোমাৰ 2 into constant del by del x of x square plus 4y constant del by del x of x plus the whole thing is constant, so it is 0. So what we will get, 2 to the 4x plus 4y. Itu hol amar del u by del x. Tia ami ulabo lage second order derivative. ঠিক আছে, second order derivative for karne ami ki korim, তে আমি উলালো del u by del x উলালো. second order to কি আছিল আমাৰ del by del x of del u by del x. মানে তুমি কাক ডিফারেন্সিয়েট কৰিব লাগিব, তোমাৰ del u by del x কিমান আহিল 4x plus 4y. okay, so 4 into del by del x of x, 4y মানে 4 constant, y constant, so itu হৈ গল 0. so কিমান পালা, it is 4. okay, so this is your del square u by del x square. okay, next আমি কি উলাব লাগিব, del square u by del y del x. এটো কি হ'ব del by del y of del u del x. The del by del y with respect to y koriba, y korile tumi x to constant dhoribo lagibo. So del u by del x kiman asil amar 4x plus 4y. So x constant 4 constant etu 0 plus etu 4 del by del y of y. So again etu kiman hoy gol 4. ঠিক আছে, এতিয়া next আমি উলাম del u by del y. now del u by etu first order del by del y of 2x square plus কিমান আছিল আমাৰ question to 4xy plus 5y square. so 2x constant etu 0 plus 4x del by del y of y plus 5 del by del y of y square. It will be 0. y differentiation kiman hoy 1 plus 5 2 is 10 y. So etu kiman palu ami 4x plus 10 y. ठीक আছে. So etu hol tomar first. Eta etur second order ulabole del by del y of del u by del y. Mane del by del y of 4x plus 10y. 4x to constant etu 0 hobo. Etur kiman ahi jabo plus 10. So etu kiman ahi gol 10. Similarly, del by del x of del u by del y. Etu ki hoy tomar del square u by del x del y. So etu kiman paba tumi 4x plus 10y. So y constant hobo. To etu ami kiman pa 4. So these are the second order derivatives. Kuntu kuntu hol second order tomar first etu second order, next etu asil, third etu, aru etu hol amar last second order derivative. So gutei second order derivative kita ami kor pura paisu from the first order by differentiating the first order derivative. Okay, so partial amar ki hoy je ami jodi with respect to x korisu y to ami constant lom. और जदि y करिसु तिति आमी x तो कन्स्टेंट लम हेतुए पार्शियलत और टोटल एटा आमी नेक्स्ट पढिम टोटल আছে सो टोटल तो तुमालगर सिलेबसत सगे इनक्लूड नाइ तो टोटलत की करू आमी जे गुटेई फंक्शन तो डिफरेंशिएट करू x থাকক y থাকক y को करिब লাগিব तितिया तुमी विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x तो हेतु कय टोटल और पार्शियलत माने जदि x र रेस्पेक्टत करिब दिसे तो बाकी जिमान कन्स्टेंट থাকিব सब तुम्हार जिमान वेरिएबल থাকিব सब तुमी कन्स्टेंट हिसाबत धरिब লাগিব ठीक আছে सो एतु আছিল আমাৰ सेकेंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव এটা ইয়াৰে এটা प्रॉब्लम কৰাই দিলু বাকি কিটা प्रॉब्लम মই pdf ত शेयर কৰিম सो দুটামান তোমালোকক সলভ কৰিবও দিম you can try it at your home আৰু বাকি মই দুটা তিনটা সলভ কৰি কিনে তোমালোকক pdf ত দিম okay so in the next class we will start integration okay so these are the part of calculus. We are doing the calculus part 2. Okay. So, thank you.